Hi guys, this is Jan Kumar Sanu. I'm sure everybody is as shocked as I am. We lost Siddharth today. I've always been a fan of Siddharth since Bigg Boss, and I've said this out very openly. People know that I've been a fan of him for a long time. The best bit about my entire journey in Bigg Boss, I think, was I got to live a dream of mine, which was to meet Siddharth Shukla. People have a lot of dreams, बहुत सपने देखते लोग, बट एक सपना ऐसा था मेरा जो मुझे हकीकत में बदलते हुए दिखा बिकॉज ऑफ बिग बॉस, एंड दैट वाज सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला को मिलना, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़, एक अचीवमेंट थी मेरे लिए. एंड जैसा आप लोग को पता है, हर रात जैमिंग सेशन होती थी एक, और I don't know what to say. Siddharth was like an elder brother to me. He was a role model, and this whole transformation from fat to fit was because of Sid. And I got the call today in the morning. I didn't want to believe it, honestly, because I thought it's one of those hoax, false rumors, कैसे हो सकता है? Because funnily, I met Sid a week ago. Me and Naina, we were out and we met Sid, and I was greeted with the same warmth and the same elder brother love that he showed me in Bigg Boss, and it's just hard to believe that Sid is not with us anymore. Before ending this video, I'd like to I know it's probably not something that someone would do, but as far as I am concerned, my achievement was not the fact that I met Siddharth Shukla, because billions and millions and like so many people, they're Siddharth fans and they will meet him, but my achievement was that Siddharth Shukla knew somebody called Jan Kumar Sanu existed, which is a big thing for a Siddharth. And before ending the video, I'd like to sing something that y'all have probably seen me sing for Sid a lot of times in the Bigg Boss house. महफिल में तेरी हम ना रहे जो गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है, किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है. कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ मेरी आ. This was his favorite song, as far as I know. Whatever interactions I had with him. Miss you, Sid. I hope you're at peace wherever you are. You left us very soon.